In the Statistics view, you can monitor the daily processing of communication server applications. These statistics are presented as either event or process transaction counters. You might also have custom counters, but these are created using scripts on the backend that are unique to your configuration. Event counters monitor transactions related to input data. Each event leverages an input connector that brings in a driver file with one or more customers. Process counters monitor transactions related to output data. Each process counter leverages an output connector that contains an output driver. The result is composed documents. Each customer in the event can trigger one or more processes. Let's take a look at the statistics view now. As in other views, you can filter and sort. When you filter based on the counter type, you can see additional properties. For example, if you filter on the type column to see only process counters, you can see information on the total number of physical pages being produced as output. Likewise, if you filter on the type column to see only event counters, you can see information about the connector. In addition to the list view, you can click this button to switch to the graph view. This view lets you see which events or processes are used over a period of time. They are grouped by transaction date. You can change the graph to be a grouped or stacked bar chart by clicking here. You can also filter in the graph view by clicking items on the graph legend to select or clear them. You can double-click an item to deselect all others. You can also download the transaction statistics as a CSV file for further analysis. First, set the filters for what you'd like to see in the downloaded file. Then click Export. For more information about using Supervisor, see the other videos in this series.